Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. First, open the FlexStore website and add FlexStore to your home screen. I'll also show you a simple trick that lets you use FlexStore for free. Next, open FlexStore and install the FlexStore profile to connect it with your device. Tap Allow, then go to Settings, Profile Downloaded, and install the profile. Once that's done, your device will be detected on the FlexStore website. To sign and install IPA files for free, you'll need a free enterprise certificate. Tap Add Certificate in FlexStore. You can download a free enterprise certificate from the link provided in the video description. After downloading it, import the certificate into FlexStore, enter the certificate password, and tap Confirm. As you can see, you can now use FlexStore for free without purchasing a paid certificate. You can also unlock premium features by using the Boost option to earn coins and redeem them for FlexStore Premium. Once everything is set up, you can install any IPA from the FlexStore library or manually sign your own IPA files using the Signer feature. For example, I'll upload my own IPA file. You can either upload a file from your device or paste a direct IPA download link. After the signing process is complete, the app will automatically install on your iPhone or iPad. Keep in mind that the free enterprise certificate must still be valid. If the certificate has been revoked, you may see errors such as unable to install or unable to verify app. If that happens, check out my other video where I explain how to fix blacklisted or revoked certificates and continue installing IPA files for free. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.